Well, in 5 years, I will have been supporting the project of elderly in Colombia, and I hope to finish with databases and several publications of topic. I think that in 10 years, I will have had a wife, I will have had children, I will have been contributing uh, with health positive in all people. I will have surviving the COVID, and sure I will have been telling generation news everything we went through and how many were left in the way. The loss of family members, family, friends, and patients, I can never forget it. I will have returned to teaching. I will have been teaching and do things like travel and share with everyone.